We've arrived at the bird's nest. Not happy about that today. The waitress was the sauce, and then the X Factor. The X Factor is like, did anything stick out to you? It was like, all right, final score. Hello, welcome to What the Cluck Wing Reviews. If you're watching this, you're tuning into episode number 1 of a YouTube channel and TikTok account that I plan to drag on until the year 2040. Sounds like a long time. But anyways, my name's Max. I'm going to be going to, the goal is to get to 15 famous chicken wing restaurants in every single state by the year 2040, as mentioned. I hope we can get some viewers going, gain a little traction, some momentum, and crown the best chicken wings in the country. Today we're going to the Bird's Nest in Chicago, Illinois. This place is recognized as one of the best chicken wing restaurants in the whole city of Chicago. So we're gonna go check them out. Episode 1, you gotta do it kind of big. Just a little bit about me quick. Been in the food business for 8 years. Sold beef patties, charcuterie, snacks, lots of stuff. I think I know food well. I enjoy watching food clips online. I haven't seen anybody do chicken wing reviews that well, so this is it. See you at the Bird's Nest. Arrived at the Bird's Nest. My girlfriend, I'm gonna keep her anonymous in these for now. She's gotten a giant argument trying to park the car. You know, we can laugh about it now though, but we did finally make it. I don't even know how to turn this camera around. You know how to turn this camera around? You're not. Look at that logo. If these are good, I might have to get that tattooed on my arm. Arrived at the Bird's Nest. Nice, quaint little spot. Kind of giving me some like Wisconsin Friday night fish fry vibes in here. Place started in 1995, so it's relatively new, I would say. Maybe compared to some of the places we might try. They got the Masters on. It's relaxing. Not too busy. We can sit and kind of talk and enjoy. Nice ice cold beers. Nice crowd in here. Just, you can tell some genuine people that are just enjoying their Friday. We got 20 wings coming, traditional, with their signature buffalo sauce. So this is how we're gonna be scoring wings on this channel, on this show. There's 4 categories. It's gonna be 1 through 20 for each of the 4 categories. It's gonna be sauce, chicken quality, ambiance, and as my friend AJ says, X factors. So maybe if the beer's extra cold or the chicken is super crispy, whatever. Get ready, the wings are coming out. Let's eat. The sauce is so good. All of a sudden you bring a tripod to a lunch and you got the whole staff coming up to check on you. It's kind of cool. What do you think? You like them?
Yeah.
She likes them. It's Friday of the Masters. The Friday before Easter, I put my money on Victor Hovland. That's all we have in the running right now. A little bit to be desired on the crispy side. But the flavor of the sauce, really, really tasty. And the chicken, you know, sometimes with chicken, you get like striations of like gelatinous fat or like a lot of brown meat. This is clean. Very, very clean. We're getting to the wrap up. So we're gonna get into the review in a sec here, but I'm just leaving this on while we eat. All right, let's score this place. It's getting a little loud in here, so hopefully you can hear. 4 categories. Sauce. We're giving it a 15.4. Had a really nice consistency, tangy, with some zip, little spice. Just great combo. The ambiance. 16.1. This is a nice spot. The people are friendly. Pretty much a backwards hat. They're talking wings and wagers. I mean, this is just a place we'd hang out. At least me. The chicken quality, it was good. It was nothing amazing, but definitely nothing on the bad side or sub 12 side. I'm giving that a solid 15. And then the X Factor. The X Factor is like, did anything stick out to you? Was anything like super amazing? It was like on the high side of pricing. The beer was nice and cold. The waitress was friendly, but nothing here was really like, wow. So we'll tally those up and give you your 0 through 20 average. That is the Bird's Nest, Lincoln Park, Chicago, episode 1. 749 more restaurants to go.